तपाईँहरूले आफ्नो इनिसिएटिभमा धेरै स्ट्रान्डेड जति पनि सिक्किमिजहरू हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूलाई तपाईँले हेल्प गरिरहनु भएको छ आफ्नो बेस्ट पोसिबल वेमा। सो क्यान यू टेल अस भर्खरै मात्रै एउटा इन्सिडेन्ट भएको थियो जसमा घरमालिकले सिक्किमको युवक चाहिँ निकालिदिनु भएको अनि यो बुझ्नु पर्दाखेरि के छ?
I think first, let me start with saying that Sikkim government, I think, has done a great job. Timely decisions are राम्रो कामहरु गर्नेले सिक्किममा अझै पनि एउटा कोरोना भाइरस आएको छैन. At the same time, also should give credit to people of Sikkim because I think यो सब सफलता हुनको लागि जनता र सिक्किमिस मान्छेहरुको सहयोग छैन भने it becomes very very difficult for the government also. र हामीले हालैमा मिस्टर पीएस गोले सीएम साहबको पनि सुन्दा उहाँले पनि सिक्किमिस जनतालाई उहाँ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिनुभयो. Apart from obviously सब warriors जो आफ्नो कामहरु लिएर लडिरहेको छौ. So that way I think Sikkim on the whole, with all the support from people, right decision government को and everybody involved has done a great job. But apart from that, मलाई लाग्छ कि now जुन चाहिँ first initial stage थियो कि protection आफ्नो सिक्किमलाई protect गर्नु, and I think that has been done अहिले 21 दिन अब plus 4-5 days extra गर्दा I think that has been done and we've been able to protect सिक्किमलाई secure गर्नु सकिन्छ. But with the time and process, I think you've got to take the process forward. अब I think second step मा you'll have to see that people, Sikkimese people outside Sikkim has to be protected as well. First priority तपाईको सिक्किमलाई protect गर्नु थियो. Now that is over, we have protected, no cases so far. Now it is important Sikkim is outside Sikkim लाई हामीले protect गर्नुपर्छ. र तपाईले जुन चाहिँ भन्नु भएको हाम्रो बहिनीको जुन केस थियो, you know, she is also Sikkim is outside living and धेरै त्यस्तो व्यक्तिहरु हुनुहुन्छ सिक्किमको outside Sikkim, not from the well to do family. Well to do family हरु आफ्नै म्यानेज गरिहाल्नु सक्छ, उहाँहरुको नेटवर्क छ, पैसा छ, सुविस्ता छ र सकिहाल्छ. बट धेरै व्यक्तिहरु पनि छ जो गरिब फ्यामिली गाउँ बस्तीदेखि बाहिर सिक्किम बाहिर काम गरिरहेको छ, कोही पढिरहेको छ, कोही काम गर्दैछ, कोही घुम्नु जाँदा अर्क्यो, कोही बिमारले, र त्यस्तो व्यक्तिहरु पनि धेरै छन्. र आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेन्ट दैट हामीले उहाँहरुलाई हेल्प र सपोर्ट गर्नु अब द सेकेन्ड फेजमा धेरै धेरै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. र त्यो बहिनी पनि बिचारा बिमार हुँदाखेरि आज घरदेखि निकाल्दा कोही थिएन र हामीले पनि खबर पाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ थ्रु फ्रेन्ड्स र एनजीओजहरु मिलेर अलिकति पुलिसलाई पनि रिक्वेस्ट गरेर उहाँको ट्रिटमेन्ट हामीले गर्न सक्यौं र हामीले जग्गा पनि दिएर राख्न सक्यौं र उहाँलाई हामीले ट्रिट गरेर डक्टर्सहरु पनि ती होटलमै हाम्रो भिरामा रिजोर्ट मिस्टर मल्होत्राको सहयोगले उहाँ राखेर सो वी बीन एबल टु ट्रिट हर. बट जाति हुँदा पनि पस्नु नदिँदा चाहिँ आई थिंक दैट वाज बिट टु मच फ्रम द ल्यान्डलॉर्ड. That's how I filed a police complaint saying that this is not fair. But मलाई लाग्छ कि जति अब ढिलो गर्छ हामीले सिक्किम गभर्नमेन्टले त्यति नै सिक्किमको लागि पनि भोलिको दिनमा डर हुन्छ. लेट्स नट फर्गेट कोरोना भाइरस इज नट गोना गो आफ्टर 3rd of May. यो हैन कि 3 तारिकको बादमा कि कोभिड र कोरोना भाइरस हराउँछ. इट्स गोना स्टे. That's where I think government of Sikkim and people of Sikkim will have to take extra precaution. अहिले 21 plus another 6-7 days ले गर्दा I think the government of Sikkim and people of Sikkim are more organized to tackle. र त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ विथ फेजेसमा हामीले ल्याउनु पर्छ र स्पेशली सिलगुडीमा आज धेरै नम्बर्समा छैन, 20-25 जना छ र खोल्दाखेरि इफ यु ओपन डाइरेक्टली बम्बे, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता सबदेखि आउँदा you might have hundreds of Sikkimese people in the borders. But फेजमा लिँदाखेरि चाहिँ it becomes very easy for the government of Sikkim. So that's why जति ढिलो हामीले सिक्किमिस बाहिरलाई सुरक्षा गर्दैन त्यति सिक्किममा पनि कोरोना भाइरस आउने चान्सेस ज्यादा हुन्छ.
सो एउटा फ्याक्टर के छ भन्दाखेरि यदि भाइरस स्ट्रान्डेडलाई यहाँ भित्र अलाउ गर्यो भने फेरि जुन अहिले सिक्किममा रिपोर्ट भएको छैन कोभिड-19 केसेस दे माइट बी रिस्क भन्ने छ. सो व्हाट इज योर सजेसन टु द गभर्नमेन्ट? आई मिन एउटा प्रपर क्वारेन्टाइन गर्न पर्ने, व्हाट इज योर सजेसन?
See, I think Sikkimis जो सिक्किमको छ उहाँहरु त फर्किनु पर्छ नपर्छ. Obviously, government has taken decision 21 days भित्र नल्याउने, again till 3rd of May नल्याउने. ठिकै छ, that's fine. But sometime or the other कहिले त फर्काउनु त पर्यो नि त. जस्तै इन्डियाले पनि जब चाइनामा स्ट्यान्डर्ड थियो हाम्रो इन्डियन्सहरु इरानमा स्ट्यान्डर्ड हुँदा त एयर इन्डिया फ्लाइट गरी गरी त्यत्रो सेन्सिटिभ जोनदेखि लिएर फर्केर इन्डियामा लिएर आयो. सो आई थिङ्क गभर्मेन्ट अफ सिक्किम बाई नाउ सुड हेभ प्लान हाउ टु ट्याकल बाहिरदेखि जो सिक्किमिजहरू फर्किन्छ कुन प्रकारले अब क्वारेन्टाइन गर्नु पर्यो उहाँहरूलाई. यु नो पिपल कमिङ फ्रम डिफ्रेन्ट प्लेसेस, जस्तै रेड जोनदेखि आउँदैछ कि अरेन्ज जोनदेखि आउँदैछ, ग्रिन जोनदेखि, त्यो यु गट टु आइडेन्टिफाई. अहिले सेतु एप कम्पलसरी गरेको छ गभर्मेन्ट अफ सिक्किम. सो बाई नाउ I think the government of Sikkim should have a plan and organize how to tackle this. But till I think they would be able to, because there's not a single case of coronavirus. But trust me, as a Silguri, I'm in Silguri. As a Silguri, people are not so much maintaining social distance. If you look at the news report or gatherings, not intentionally, but आज मन्डी सब्जी मन्डीदेखि लिएर एभ्रिथिङ स्टार्ट्स फ्रम हियर फर एन्टायर हिल्सको लागि. एभ्रिथिङ सप्लाईहरू सब सिलगढीदेखि नै जान्छ र यु हेभ सिन लट अफ प्लेसेस ग्यादरिङ धेरै ठुलोमा भएको छ र इट इज भेरी डिफिकल्ट. र आज सिक्किमिजहरू जो सिलगढीमा बसिरहेको छ स्पेसली फ्रम द पोरर सेक्सन्सहरू, आज उहाँहरू लाइनमा हुनुपर्छ, रासिन किन्नु लागि जानुपर्छ. रासिन किन्दाखेरि देयर इज नो सोसियल डिस्टेन्सिङ त्यो एरियामा. कतिजना एनजेपी एरियामा अड्किरहेको छ, वेयर अगेन इट्स अ भेरी डिफिकल्ट च्यालेन्जिङ प्लेस, जो एउटा स्लम जस्तै छ. त्यहाँनिर सोसियल डिस्टेन्स एउटा सानो स्लम एरियामा धेरै साह्रो पर्छ. र दिस पिपल हेभ टु बी प्रोटेक्टेड. इन केस वी डोन्ट ब्रिङ देम ब्याक टु सिक्किम, मे सिलगढीमा यु स्टार्ट अ क्वारेन्टाइन एरिया कुनै एउटा सानो होटलमा गभर्मेन्ट अफ सिक्किमले दे क्यान अर्गनाइज द्याट. सो आई थिङ्क इट्स इम्पोर्टेन्ट द्याट फास्टर वी ट्राई एन्ड secure Sikkimis outside Sikkim from coronavirus. That is going to help us, because if we don't take the step early, मलाई लाग्छ कि in future people coming from outside Sikkim are bound to bring in coronavirus, because right now अहिलेसम्म Sikkimis outside Sikkim को लागि पनि कुनैलाई coronavirus or COVID-19 भएको छैन. So this is the time people, government of Sikkim will have to start taking steps to bring them back, quarantine in Sikkim, Rampura, Mallima, and start checking their health, and then slowly get them back to their village towns. But if you do it late, then chances of somebody getting infection is going to be more from Sikkim.
Okay, another important thing, we have been getting lots of messages from people, especially Sikkim, who are stranded outside in cities. They have been facing some kind of discrimination, right? Looks like. So, can you tell us, will there be any initiative from your side, because you are an icon? So will you be writing to someone, the problem, the stigma, the discrimination, especially the Northeast people are facing at this wake of COVID-19?
Yes, I think we have already seen a lot of incidents with the Northeast people facing some kind of discrimination, especially with their looks, especially your coronavirus coming from China as well. Because of that, also Northeast people, because of our kind of appearance, what we have, we've been getting that. I personally have spoken to Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who is also tackling the issue for all the Northeast, and he's already written to various states, government janda discriminate bhako, and also taking strong action. So that initiative, I think, from Government of India is been taken already, which is a great step forward. But as I said, these are difficult times, and for people from Sikkim, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Northeast, especially staying outside the region, it is more challenging. So I think they need to be, they should stay strong, stay positive, and I'm sure, I think a lot of the state governments, especially Northeast state governments, have already taken step. In fact, I saw a tweet from Arunachal CM giving 3,500 rupees to each Arunachalist staying outside Sikkim. That is around 14,000 some numbers, 14,600 something numbers they've already been given. So I think we need to try and support. Obviously, Government of Sikkim students or patients are like this, but apart from them also we need to start supporting in a small way.
Right. So what is your final message to the entire Sikkimis here?
See, my message to entire Sikkim is I think we should not be a society being very, very selfish. As you put up your afternoon situation, jun as Sikkimis jo baira cha, जो स्ट्रगल गर्दैछ अहिले फर्किनु पैसाले गर्दा तपाईँ उहाँहरूको जुत्तामा लगेर गेट इन्टु द सुज एन्ड इमेजिन इफ इन केस आज तपाईँको आमा बाउ या दाजु बहिनी या कोही सिक्किमदेखि बाहिर स्ट्रगल भइरहेको छ यो कोरोना भाइरसले फर्किनु सकेको छैन इमेजिन वाट इज यर सिचुएसन गर्न बी सो लेट्स नट ट्राई एन्ड से लेट अस सेभ माइसेल्फ अदर्स शुड डाई द्याट एटिट्युड शुड नट कम आई थिङ्क वी शुड ट्राई एन्ड वर्क टुगेदर work with the government also make sure that government of Sikkim and the health department is ready because after 29 days I'm sure people of Sikkim and the government health department police everybody is much organized to really tackle this because first you said 1 month agari bhako but then it becomes very very difficult so we are that way Sikkim has been very very lucky I think with the blessing of Guru Rinpoche all other gods and Devi Devta le garda look at today's Sikkim if this had happened in May June jab tourist season thulo bhako bhai we would have been in a big trouble I think that's the reason we our airports is not been functioning which was obviously blessing in disguise so we would want our airports to be working so that we've been very very lucky so now I think as a Sikkimis we should not try and say we should stay safe the other Sikkimis outside Sikkim should deal with themselves, let them do what they want, die, stay, whatever, we don't care. That attitude we should not. I think we all should work together to bring them back, but at the same time, make sure they are fully checked by health department, government of Sikkim. And we need to do it fast because good thing till today is just not Sikkim Mata, but Sikkim is outside Sikkim also has been not infected with a single case. So this is a time we should start slowly, especially from Siliguri, start in few numbers, start bringing them back quarantine, get their entire health checkup done, rapid test or God knows whatever tests we need to do, we should do it because Sikkim has not been able to do many tests. It's only 80 early someone test pathacha. And that is quite a small number. So I think equipment test you can keep that equipment for people coming from outside Sikkim. To test and it's not very difficult because green zone, red zone, orange zone I'm at high. So I think that way the government should be able to tackle it because by now I'm quite hopeful that I think our government is more equipped and ready to tackle people coming from outside Sikkim. Sikkim is coming from outside Sikkim inside.
All right. Thank you so much, Balching, for speaking with us. Thank you.